In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the ECE Elite Team Cheer Makeup look. Start by prepping your eyes with a few optional steps. I'm adding a thin layer of primer across my eyelid to help lock in the eyeshadow. Next, I'm dusting a little loose setting powder under my eyes, and this helps catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup super easy later. Moving on to the eyeshadow look. Start with a matte eyeshadow color closest to your skin tone and use a fluffy brush to sweep it across your eyelid for a smooth base color. Next, we are adding the shimmer eyeshadow to the inner eye. I'm spraying a Q-tip with setting spray and picking up some of that shimmer eyeshadow. Apply to the inner corner of the eye and around the tear duct. Then I'm adding one of the neutral matte eyeshadows into the crease, depending on your skin tone. I'm using a dome-shaped brush to press it into my crease. Switch to a fluffy brush to blend it out. Next, we are adding the dark blue eyeshadow. Use a dome-shaped brush and press that color into the outer corner of your eye into a V shape. Here's an extra tip. If you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you could line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow, and that will keep the lines clean as you press the eyeshadow into the outer corner. Switch to a fluffy eyeshadow brush and lightly blend the outer corner into the crease and center of the lid to soften the colors together. Now I'm spraying the dome-shaped brush with setting spray, and I'm adding more of the dark blue color in the outer corner. Layer it into the outer corner for a stronger cat eye. Next, I'm adding the peach shimmer eyeshadow to my inner eye with my fingertip. Then I'm adding the deeper shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm using my fingertip and just dotting it along the center of my eye. Use a fluffy brush to softly sweep over the shadow. Now I'm spraying an angled eyeliner brush with setting spray and using the dark blue color as an eyeliner, bringing it all the way to the outer corner for a strong wing. I'm also lining underneath the eye from the inner corner to the outer corner. If you added powder under your eyes, you can sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. I'm adding a couple coats of mascara to my lashes to give them some length. Next, I'm adding a little blush to the cheeks with this rosy shimmer color. You can use a powder puff or a blush brush to apply it. Focus the color into the apples of your cheeks and then upwards towards the hairline. Now we're moving on to the lips. To start with, use a makeup wipe to clean your lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. Then grab your matte liquid lipstick. I like to line my lips first and then fill them in using a thin coat. Let it dry completely for a minute or two so that it doesn't budge. To keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. Keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. The final step is to add the mega glitter. So use a Q-tip and squeeze a small amount out of the pouch, about a dime size, and then apply it around the side of the eyes in a C shape around the temples. A little goes a long way, so just use a small amount. You can always get more. Give it about a minute to dry. I'm finishing off the look with lashes, and I have a separate tutorial video for applying magnetic lashes with all my tips and tricks. And that's the completed Elite Team makeup look for East Coast Evolution. Have a great season, everyone.